A handful of my other colleagues have spoken very highly of the programs.
To learn more about Excel and PowerPoint.
How to be a better leader, a better manager.
I had the option to do online or in-person training. What I was actually looking for was something that was more of like a soft skills training, career development skills, as well as management training. I love the instructors and their ability to deliver the content in a way that's meaningful and engaging. We've all taken training where, snooze fest, is that the word?
I'm walking away with more confidence. I feel like I can take on more responsibility at work.
I learned a lot, not only for my professional career, but for my everyday life.
I love it. I thought the course is really good so far. It's my first time here at Learnit, but I'll definitely be back.
I had a really great time here at Learnit. I think the classes are set up very well for both beginners and experienced people coming into it.
I was just excited all day long, having these aha moments. I just learned so much.
You can tell that there's been a lot of thought in the way that the curriculum has been put together.
The trainings are very high quality. I think the instructors do an amazing job of knowing the subject matter in and out.
They really open up, share their personal story, which opens up the room to be more vulnerable and learn in the best open, authentic environment.
It was extremely interactive with the instructor, so I appreciated that and got a lot out of it.
A lot of the material is delivered as practical solutions that you can walk away with and implement right away in your work environment.
Yeah, it's a great experience.
It far surpassed my expectations.
I don't remember at least 70% of the things I learned in college, but I remember 80% of what I've learned at Learnit.
If you're looking for something that's diverse and inclusive and educational and rooted in people orientation and brainstorming and data driven, then this would be a really good place to come.
I was able to use all the tools that they were taught to me and take lots of notes, and the staff was great.
Oh, the staff has heart.
The teachers that you have are very engaging. You know, we don't stop learning, we don't stop laughing.
So if you're worried about being relevant or up to date on your job skills, this is the place where you can get relevant and up to date.
It's been a really great experience, one that I would really recommend anyone to try.
I would 100% recommend Learnit. It's a great place, and I think you'll learn a lot there.